It is time today. I haven't done this in like a solid week, but we are about to go through the Reddit. I gave it a little bit of time at the start of the stream for people to tune in. It's Super Bowl Sunday. A lot of people are probably getting ready to watch the Super Bowl. They're sitting down with their friends. They got their chips or their popcorn or their Doritos. But in reality, they're not actually here for the Super Bowl, dude. They're here for the King Lives Reddit recap. So if you guys want to take part in this, head on over to the Reddit r/CaseyKing. That is my name. That's where you can find all of these lovely posts. Where you can post pretty much anything. If you want to complain about the game, if you think that you got something cool that you want to share, you got a cool clip or something, feel free to post it there. And we're going to go over some of these posts and talk about them. So, yeah, that's where you can do that. Also, if you're watching this live on YouTube, I guess it's not live. Subscribe to the channel down below. Check us out on Twitch. And yeah, let's get into it. Just hit the most insane shot of my life. What's up, Demon Killer? Let's see it, homie. I'm ready for it. He's walking in here. Here's Garage. There's the flick there. Wait, I thought that was also another raise. Those shots are always the nicest. I like the shots where you're literally like you're sitting there and you do like a straight up 180 and you hit a target who's like shooting behind you. Bappo had a pretty nuts one the other day. It actually appeared in our video yesterday, I believe. It's in overtime. It's literally the round right here. Dude, watch this. He's literally sitting here. Brimstone drops down, literally flicks and hits them. It's just like, there's definitely some skill involved in that, but there's also a lot of luck. When you land a nasty flick like that, you're just like, fuck yeah, let's go, man. That's one of the best things about Valorant, I think, is that when you're playing it, you could just land a flick like that you're going to remember for like the rest of time. I always reference my PUBG clip. I'm not going to show it again, but it's just like those shots that you go back and you watch them again, you're like, ah, man, remember when I hit that? Like, that's a feels good, man. That's a feels good. Found this old clip of me killing someone with a shotgun from Heaven's Split. Okay, let's see the sniper. He's just shooting at him with a jut. Why are you taking this challenge in the first place, Chicken Wings? He's just spraying him down. It took him like 15 different shots. The dude must have been at like 10 HP. Every single bullet did 1 damage. Like, oh my god, dude. You see this cam from Exit? No, let's check it out.
Exit looked good at the beginning, and then Sentinels happened, and that has brought us to this point as we kick off the next pistol.
Okay, so the nerd cams are back. We definitely have some nerd cams back in the game, but what you saw the raise come over to A site. She was like right here. What she does is she blast backs them over here. This is actually at halftime too, so this is a pistol round strat that I guess they're running. Good shot. Oh my god. Ironically, it doesn't look like they win this round. Oh no, it was so close, man. We're kind of cheering for them with that nerd cam, but also, yeah, I guess they end up losing the round anyway, so maybe it's not the pistol round strat. I do like it. I do like the cam, though. That gives you a lot of info. I had the best comp game of my life last night, and I wanted to share with everybody. What's going on here? 13-11. He dropped 38 kills. Oh my gosh, dude. That it's just like, it's hard to drop these games anymore. After your MMR evened out, unless I'm playing on like Iron Elo, like, it's just difficult, dude. This game's freaking hard now. That's me. Thank you. Congratulations, dude. That's hype. Insanely lucky clutch with Sova. Let's see it. They're planning A. The classic, all of your team rotates B, and then they just start planning it on A. It's like, what are you guys doing? Where is everyone? The run and gun. All right. Probably want to stop moving a little bit before that, but I like it. I like it. It's the strategy. You know, it's the meta. It's the meta in Valorant right now. Run and gunning, you know, it is the move. So he knows that there's 2 here at the minimum. I think that he saw the Viper and the Killjoy Mollies are here as well. Gonna stick it. There's probably 1 player B because all of his teammates died on B. I'm assuming that's the Jet probably coming Heaven right now. That'll be my assumption. There's the Jet right there. Gets the kill onto the Jet. There's a Molly down. He did half it. Oh, does he stick the Molly? Okay. Barely gets it. That's the Viper lineups that we're always talking about, dude. Viper's sitting in the back like, I got a lineup. Just shoot him, homie. There's 2 of you there. You placed all of your mollies on the bomb and then just hid. Come on, guys. What are you doing? Good clutch, though. Good clutch. Last second. Always feels good when you get around like that. I do respect it. Raise ace with no sound. Was talking to my friends for my iPad because my headshot sets died. You're using your iPad over Discord, I assume? Okay. Oof, this is a little laggy. He's got the glitch bot Phantom, though, so we respect it. Brimstone's pushed up here. Does his whole team die long right here? They don't. They get the kill on the Brimstone. Nice. That Sky, a little deaf, but good job, Ducky. I like it. He's got the rocket. Okay, nice. Someone got rezzed. Oh, they rezzed back sight. Interesting. What a ball. Ooh, good spray control. Nice. That's actually pretty pog. No, I like the ballsiness of that Sage to just run in and res right there, though. I should probably upvote these. Well, we'll upvote them all. Because that's what we do. That's what we do on this Reddit. Well, that's what I do. That shouldn't be what you guys do. It's your guys' job to curate the posts so that I see what you want me to see when we do this on stream. Just so you know, that's why you upvote. Figured I should join the subreddit, and my first post will be about how the Bucky do indeed fuck. Let's see it. I love seeing the Bucky fuck, except for when it happens against me. Then I don't like it. Anybody else see that clip on Twitter? I can't remember who it was, but the Bucky literally killed 3 people with 1 right click. It was on split. It was a nightmare, dude. Dodges the sky flip. These guys are so timid. They're so freaking afraid to push in right here. Oh my god. Nice. They lined up for Henry. I like it. The 3K. Can he get the 4K? He sees somebody mid. She's running into him. Oh my god, the molly. Okay, Henry. Okay, he's just running around. Easy 3K in overtime. Who's this? Oh, this is Bappo, dude. This is literally Bappo's clip. Bappo's gonna post it again, but let's show it again because I just fucking love this clip. It's so good, dude. Once I can land clips like that, I'm gonna be a happy man, dude. Maybe one day I'll have that down. I haven't had a clip like that in a hot second though. Got a Yoru clip. That's always the best moment, is when you TP behind somebody, or you don't even TP, you just get behind them and you're like, really? Okay. I guess I'll knife you. I guess if you're gonna give it to me. Run and gun is fixed. Let's see it. Is this a run and gun clip? I just want to see him Ferrari peek these guys. He wants to. Oh no, I hate everything about this. Here's my take on run and gun. Run and gun is obviously an issue, and at those ranges it's more obnoxious because it's harder to land your shot. But like, realistically speaking, when somebody run and guns you, they're going to be at a disadvantage. Their bullets are going to be more random than yours. If you land your shot, if you hit them in the head, they die. The problem is just when you miss your shot, and like, because they're hard to hit because they're running around, you know, then it could be kind of an issue. But like, I mean, like, yeah, if you hit them, they can't really, like, you should technically have the upper hand. You'd think you're more accurate than they are, but it doesn't work like that, I guess, all the time. Day 244 of trying my best. Has Valorant actually been out for 244 days? 306 days. So, okay, 306, 244. That's crazy. Valorant hasn't even been out for a year yet, though. We're getting it. We're closing up in a year. There's no sound here. Oh, that's even worse than the run and gun. Okay. Dude, this is a real issue in the game, right? And he just jump shoots him. Do you think this is a latency issue, or did he actually just do that? Like, do you think that like he fired when he was standing? Oh my god. Jesus. Jumping 360 clip? No, I didn't see that, but if you link me, I'll watch it, dude. Okay, Dapper. Riot's like watching this like, guys, don't look at this. He just got rolled. Okay, this is gonna be like our last clip, I think. I swear I'm not cheating. Remember the spray. Okay. What are all these clips, dude? What is this game right now? Highly skilled gunplay right here. Jumping around on the site. 180 flicks. Oh my god, dude. Just this entire like the last like 6 clips have just been like, what is going on in this game, man? No, wait, keep watching. That's where it ends, I think.
Oh, no, dude.
Isn't it? Wait.
I think Valorant. Dude. Fuck Riot Games, dude. They got
Oh,
me.
that's not him. No, that's a there's no way that's like real. Hacker detected, because it would say that he was banned for cheating if he actually was. If somebody else was banned, though, then I guess it's possible. But like, it would say that he was banned for cheating. I'm pretty sure it would say something different. I'm like 92% sure. I guess I don't know, but that's what I'm always worried about. I get a lot of kills through smokes. I think in my most recent video, I killed like 3 or 4 enemies through smokes, and I was just like, dude, like one of these days, I want somebody to be like, yo, King Live, you cheating, dude? And I'll be like, nah, and then like that would be like the end of it. But it would be cool to be accused of it, you know. So somebody starts like a manhunt for me, and I'm just like, no, dude, you cheating, dude? Papo, if I were cheating, I would hope I would be our higher rank. Yeah, dude, I'm soft cheating in D2 right now. I just can't hit a mortal. I'm hard stuck D2, and I'm just soft cheating. No, fuck that, dude. If I were cheating, I would go full blatant. I would be radiant right now, like guaranteed, dude. I would go full blatant. I would hit the radiant. People would be like, oh wow, King Live, man, this guy's so sus. Like, no, like, trust me, you would know if I was cheating. I think that was my last one. I could scroll through these all day. We all know how it goes, but if you guys wanted to be featured in this video or in the Reddit recaps, feel free to go to Reddit r/CaseyKing and post on it. We do these pretty much every week. We do them about once a week, once or twice if the Reddit starts popping off. But you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel down below. Check us out on Twitch where we have all these lovely people, and I'll see you in the next one.